Hello, everybody. We are now 2 days away from Christmas, and like a lot of other people, I follow other YouTubers, and some of the other YouTubers I follow are Dragon Claw Games. Now, with their members and everything, they have every year a Secret Santa. Well, last year I opened the boxes and everything. It was great, but I didn't really record it. I just sort of said, "Oh my god, thank you," and posted pictures in the room. But this year I wanted to open them, and open them on camera, and why not? Share the surprise, share the love. So, this is just a real quick video. Now, I don't want to show too much here because it does have my personal info on it, but this is one of the 2 packs that came, from my Secret Santa. Now, unfortunately, customs labels sometimes give stuff away, and this told me my Secret Santa, well, from one was from the UK, and second of all, what they were declaring. Now, it doesn't tell me exactly what, but it tells me it's a cookbook. So, and it is perfect. How it all works is we always put a list of things we like and all that. So I said I wanted cookbooks. So this is recipes of things that you normally would buy in the store, and all. And oh man, there's so many good things in here. But these are like things you would normally just go out and buy. Well, these are things now we are going to make, and we are going to make on the channel. But what I'm still trying to find out, because it's very secret, there's no card. There's no nothing. Was something maybe written? Oh. Oh. Okay, so this came from what looks like another YouTuber, because there is a card inside saying thank you for supporting his channel, and it came from John. Oh, John is actually the chef, the gentleman who wrote it. Sorry, John, sorry. But, oh my god, so it's autographed and everything. Oh my god. Well, John, if you're seeing this, thank you very, very much. I will look forward to trying almost every recipe in there, because, like, I've got quite a few recipes in me already. The other thing we got was the traditional Amazon box. So, oh, I can't wait to try some of those things out. One of the things I saw in there, just as I was quickly flipping through, is going to be perfect for Easter. And they were hot cross buns. And I've said I wanted to make those before, but I just never have. Well, now I'm going to have to. So this box does feel like very, very light, but means nothing. Oh! And whatever is in here is gift wrap. Just gonna put that there for a sec. Okay, still nothing. This just says, keep your gift a surprise. So we'll put that aside for now. And I'm sure, like a lot of other people, always try and figure out what it is first. I have no clue. I feel more, what feels more like bubble wrap in there. For all I know, it's popcorn. Does the card say anything? There is a card. Okay. So now we know who it's from. Thank you ever so much, Shark Attacking Robot. Alright, come on. There we go. That's a really nice bag from Amazon, too. It's a recyclable bag. This bag is made from 100% recycled materials. And even the wrapping inside's from Amazon. Curious. Still can't tell what it is, and I'm trying not to peek or do anything. More wrapping. But this looks Japanese, which makes me very, very happy and curious, but I can't get into it. There's those little tapes that they put on like bread bags and stuff. Oh God. Happy, happy, happy. I muted everything. I forgot to mute my phone. We have all kinds of Japanese treats. Like, it's a whole bag. And I know I know exactly what they ordered because I think I've looked at this same thing. These are little egg rolls. They're like crispy little egg pancake things. They're so good. When I say egg rolls, it's not like the egg rolls that you would get when you go for Chinese food. Little pretzel sticks. Oh my God. The one thing with all this, other than the fact that I have this whole bag of yummy snacks to try, is we're going to have a tasting video, of course. But I just want to do a very quick little video. Thank you ever so much. Mute. Thank you. I hope it worked. Thank you very much. I love them. I love the cookbook. I'm going to have to find out from you a little bit more about John, because at first I thought John was the cookbook. Was who sent it to me. But thank you for the Japanese snacks. I am going to adore these. This is the same pack that I think I've looked at, like I said. Yeah, more Japanese egg rolls. It's a lot of crackery stuff, but I will be so looking forward to trying all this. So thank you ever so much. Have yourself a very Merry Christmas. I hope everything is safe for you and healthy, and let's hope that 2022 brings an end to everything that's going on right now, and we can get back to some kind of normality. So, thank you. So until next time, have a great evening.